Hi, I'm Ellie Miriam, and I'm the Closet Quilter. Today, I am ripping out a lot of stitching on this. I just really don't like. I don't like the way the thread looks. I'm using different colors. I decided on, let's see, on the back, I'm going to use this Sun-Kissed Pea by Glide. I'm not going to use the thread I was using. I'm going to use Sun-Kissed Pea on here. It'll blend in nicely. And then on the front, I'm going to use my Standby Linen. It'll blend really nicely on the front. So, as you can see, these back threads are really not to my liking because I did a lot of backtracking and my free motion quilting is not that great. So it doesn't make sense to use threads like finesse that are thicker on this type of work. So normally what I do is I do the old pull and snip method. But if my stitches are very small like this, like right here, I don't know if you can see that, right at this point right here, these are very small. So what I do is I try to snip either end, both ends, not either, both ends, and then flick up a little tail and pull it through. That's how I do this when the stitches are that tiny and difficult. Sometimes it just comes out. This end is going to be a little more difficult. There. Okay. Now I can just pull. Let me flick one more snip. There. There. And then the stitches on the other side are just there, and they'll come off when I brush them on the other side, when I go clean that up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to flip this edge, get a little snip there, and this is snipped. Get a little tail here. Sometimes I catch the fabric, but not very often. And after I'm done, I'll spray a little mist over this, and that'll close the holes. The holes you won't even notice. So that's really good. This is really good. So I hope that helps you in your quilting journey. Have a great quilting day, and thanks for stopping by the Closet Quilter.